Example 6, we are asked to express 1188 as a product of its prime factors in index form. So, using long division table, I have 1188 to be divided by 2 repeatedly because it is divisible by 2. 2 into 1 it cannot, you bring the next digit, it becomes 11. 2 into 11 is 5, remainder 1. This becomes 18. 2 into 18 is 9. And 2 into 8 is 4. 594 is still divisible by 2, so you divide. 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 into 19 is 8, remainder is 9, sorry. 2 into 19 is 9, remainder 1. This becomes 14. 2 into 14 is 7. Is 297 a prime number? No, because it is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 2. So I'm going to use 3. 3 into 2 cannot. 3 into 29 is 9 times, remainder 2. 2 into 27 is 9 times. So 3 can still go into 99. And this goes 33 times. And when you divide by 3 again, it gives you 11. So 11 into itself is 1. So that 1188 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 11, which in index form is said to be equal to 2 squared times 3 cubed times 11. So this is how you can express 1188 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the next exercise on prime factors.